Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the Microsoft Windows Search Protocol host has stopped working message that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. It says Windows can check online for a solution to the problem. So should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to scroll down and locate the Windows search service. So go ahead and double click on it. Make sure startup type is set to either automatic or automatic delayed start. And if service status says stopped, you want to select the start button. And then you would select apply and OK to save the change. And once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu. Type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the view by up at the top right. Make sure it's set to large icons. And then you want to select indexing options. You want to select where it says advanced and where it says troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index, rebuild, select the rebuild button. And rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete, depending on how large your hard drive is and how many files you have on there, of course. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Select OK and let it run here. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And now I would open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC, followed by a space /scan now. Scan now shall be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And now, hopefully at this point, you should be good to go, and hopefully the search functionality has improved and it should be more responsive. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.